If you're under 30 and still broke, this video might frustrate you, but it could also save your life. You're sitting there, scrolling, thinking, wishing. Where do I invest my money? S&P 500? Real estate? Crypto? You don't need an investment strategy, you need an income strategy. Because here's the truth. If you're not making money right now, it's not because you're lazy, it's because you're unequipped. And the system? It's designed to keep you that way. Last month, I was at a house. 7 20-somethings were hanging out. Smart kids, college grads. One guy pulls me aside. Says he saved $1,000 and wants to invest it. 401k, index funds, the usual. I smiled, and I told him something that slapped him in the face. You're not ready to invest in assets because you haven't even invested in yourself. And here's what no one tells you. The moment you invest without building your income first, you stop trying to earn more. You can either play not to lose or play to win, but you can't do both. If you had $1,000 and are wondering what stock to buy, you're already losing the game. A better investment? Become the person who can turn 1,000 into 10,000. That's not fantasy, that's math. You could spend $500 to become a phlebotomist and triple your income. If $500 could triple your income for life, wouldn't that be the smartest investment? But no. You're told to buy stocks and save for 40 years. Hope is not a strategy. Imagine saving $25K per year, but investing in high-income skills instead. Sales, media buying, video editing. You don't just buy one course and expect to get rich. This is your degree in money-making. Every course is a brick in your bridge to freedom. But most people stop building right before the breakthrough. They quit and start building new bridges. Half-built bridges don't lead anywhere. This is why people stay stuck. They try to get rich in 30 days instead of mastering one skill over 12 months. Before you innovate, replicate. Be a student first, then rewrite the rules. You stack one skill, then another, and soon you're a CEO. You're no longer chasing money, money chases you. Your first $10,000 is the most important money you'll ever earn. Not because of the number, but because of who you become to earn it. Once you do it, you'll know how to do it again. Stop investing in the S&P, start investing in the SNME. Live cheap, learn fast, earn more, repeat. The market needs more valuable people, and you're just one decision away.